Thanks for calling Xbox customer support. Name is Jim. How may I help you?
Hello.
Hi.
How's it going?
I'm doing fine. How about you?
Okay.
Hi. Do you have an issue with your Xbox?
Yes.
Okay. What's the issue of your console?
And let me just be honest with you. You gotta
Okay.
grow up.
I'm sorry?
You don't have the right to do that.
Which one?
So you've been spending $20, $40, and then $60 a week? Hello.
Yes.
Dr. Phil.
Did you say Dr. Phil?
Yeah.
Okay. You are Dr. Phil?
Yeah.
And, how may I help you?
I want you to start living as a gay woman. And I want you to start having a gay relationship.
As a gay woman?
Yeah.
Okay. That's cool.
Yeah.
All right.
This is
And
going
what
to
else
be
would you
a
like to
changing
find?
day in your life.
Okay.
So do you have like a job?
Yes. I'm an Xbox customer support.
Does it sound like a logical thing to do?
I'm sorry? Does it sound like a logical thing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you having sex?
With whom?
You have how many children at home?
I don't have kids.
Okay. I just wanted to call and remind you, you don't matter.
Okay.
I don't care about you. You're bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. You gotta
Okay.
grow up. Do you realize that this is a big problem?
Which is a big problem.
What I'm telling you here is I didn't do anything wrong. Quit being
You
mad
didn't
at
do
me
anything.
and just love me again.
You don't... I'm sorry. I'm not understanding.
Hello.
Yes.
Why are you so hair-triggered?
About what?
What are the things that you're most ashamed of?
Haven't thought about it yet.
Do you realize that this is a big problem?
No.
Fair enough?
No.
What I'm telling you here is this is going to be a changing day in your life.
Oh, that's great to hear. Would that be all for today?
Hello?
Yes, would that be all for today?
No.
Okay. How else may I help you?
How do you feel about not being trusted by your wife?
I'm not married.
Okay. What the hell are you thinking?
Thinking about what?
Do you realize that this is a big problem?
No.
Quit being mad at me and just love me again.
I'm not mad at you. Nor do I love you.
You gotta grow up.
I don't even...
I don't believe that's true at all.
would you like to talk about something related to Xbox?
Yes.
Because we have been on the phone for 5 minutes now, and
I don't believe that's true at all. That's a load of crap.
Okay.
I want you to start living as a gay woman. Tell me how that's a good deal for you. Where are you from? What do you want from me today?
You're the one who called.
No.
Yes,
So what do you
were.
think you ought to do?
You were the one who called.
No. That's a load of crap. And let me just be honest with you.
I apologize for inconvenience, but I have to disconnect this call. We have other customers who have issues
What
with
did I
their
do?
Xbox consoles. Okay?
What did I do?
Have a great day. Thank you for calling Xbox customer support. Bye.
What did I do? Remember what I said.
Yes, I will. Thank you for calling Xbox customer support. Have a great day.
Yeah.